Hello viewers, you're all welcome to my channel. I am Jackson, the saxophone instructor here in this channel. In case you're new to this channel, please I'd like you to click on the subscribe button and just beside it you'll see a bell notification. Press the bell notification as that will enable you to be notified each time a tutorial drops here in this channel. Alright, I'm going to be teaching on LYDIAN mode. LYDIAN mode is the fourth degree of mode which runs from fa to fa. I'm going to be playing on the key of C, so now we're going to be working on LYDIAN mode on the key of C. Now the LYDIAN mode scale runs to be what? Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. Now what happened here is that you are going to raise the fourth degree by semitone, right? Instead of you play do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do on your major scale, what you will now be doing is to play what? Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. That is LYDIAN mode for you, alright? It's the easiest of all modes. Okay, now and there is a tweak to easily remember this mode. So if I'm playing on the key of C and I want to play my LYDIAN mode, all I just need to do is to turn my root, which is my do here, to fa, which is the fourth degree. Alright, and I'll then be playing what? Fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa. Alright, now to which of the keys will I have my key C as fa? You believe me that it's of none other but what? Key G. Alright, on the key of G, I'm going to have this as my fa. So I'll be playing what? Fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa. Alright, now hear it on the saxophone. That is fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa. That is the tweak, alright? Now, and just to play it on the normal scale wise, you can just have it as what? Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fi, mi, re, do. Alright? That is it. That is the scale for your LYDIAN mode. So, I'm going to be taking it slowly now, and you have it like what? So that is your LYDIAN mode scale. LYDIAN mode, alright? So you have it as do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fi, mi, re, do. Right now, we're going to come out with some leads on LYDIAN mode. And at the same time, to know how we can rightly apply them in improvisation. Alright? Now let's go. The first on the leads is... This is mi, la, sol, fi, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, do. Alright? Now I'm going to take it slowly. Mi, la, sol, fi, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, do. And secondly, you can have it like mi, la, sol, fi, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, do, re, mi. Okay, now I'm not going to stop on the sol this time around, but I will add what? Do, re, mi. So I'll have it as what? Mi, la, sol, fi, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, do, re, mi. And now let's hear it. And now the next is this is what? Sol, la, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fi, sol. Sol, la, do, re, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fi, sol. And the next one is this is so mi so fi re mi la ti do re ti so. So mi so fi re mi la ti do re ti so. Now I'm going to take it slowly. And the next you will have is this is what ti do so fi so la re mi re do ti. Now I'm going to take it slowly. And the next on this licks is this is what re do ti fi so la so mi re. And the next is this is mi la ti do re ti la so fi re mi re do ti la so do. Mi la ti do re ti la so fi re mi re do ti la so do. Now I'm going to take it slowly. And the next you have here is this is do re mi so fi mi re do ti do. I want to take it more slower than this. Do re mi so fi mi re do ti do. And the next is this is la ti do so ti do re mi so fi re mi re do la. La ti do so ti do re mi so fi re mi re do la. And the last one is this is do so la mi fi so re mi re do la so do. Do so la mi fi so re mi re do la so do. And right now we shall be going to the LYDIAN mode applications. Right now we are going to apply this on a song titled What a Mighty God We Serve. What a mighty God we serve. Heaven and earth adore him. Angels bow before him. What a mighty God we serve. Alright, now the toning so far is sa 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 mi do la so. Sa 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 mi do mi re. Sa 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 fa mi do. Sa 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 fa mi do. Sa 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 fa mi re do. Alright, now let's go straight into the application. Mi do la so la do re mi re do ti la so fi so. Okay, so da 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 da. Okay, and the next part is sa mi do mi re, right? Can you hear that again? Da mi do mi re do ti la so mi re. Okay, then. da 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 fa mi re do so la mi fi so re mi re do ti la so do. All right. Now let me play again. So now you can see how easy it is for you to apply your LYDIAN mode, alright? So just try to apply some of these licks on any song of your choice. Thank you for watching.